Today we're making an easy seafood paella using Guy Fieri's Flavortown Laser Titanium cookware. I'm using a 12-inch frying pan and I'm going to start sauteing this seafood blend. It's a frozen seafood blend I defrosted. It's got some mussels, some shrimp, some scallops, a little bit of octopus. You just want to pan fry for about maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Then we're going to start sauteing our veggies. Now this is bell peppers, onions, and garlic. And then we're going to add some cilantro. Let that saute for a few minutes. Then we're going to add some tomato sauce. Now the type of rice we're using is paella rice. Now you can use any rice you have on hand. Now you want to let that rice toast a little bit with the aromatics. Now I'm adding my saffron, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, a pinch of turmeric, and then a little bit of seafood stock. Now, what I love about this pan is that it's non-stick and it doesn't have a coating like other products, so you won't have to worry about chemicals getting into your food. Now, we're gonna add the rest of our seafood mixture and top it off with some jumbo prawns. I went traditional paella style and I covered it with foil to keep all that moisture in there so the rice gets nice and soft. Look how beautiful that is. This was definitely a 10 out of 10. Straight to Flavortown.